Madam, is it audible? Sudha madam, is it audible?
Sir, very much audible.
Okay, and I think you can see
continue.
the screen also on the respected principal, Dr. Pratima, Dr. Ravi Kumar sir, the HOD of Commerce, Dr. Sriveena, the organizer of this program, all the faculty of Government First Grade College Mallipuram, and the participants in this program. I am very happy to you few important aspects of green banking initiatives that have been for long due in Indian banking sector. ನಿಮಗೆಲ್ಲ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ the sustainable business is the mantra of the day. Now question arises, what is sustainable business? Banking is also a business which is rendering services in financial sector. That is the reason why every business has to sustain by coping with few important things. The first one is financial sustainability, second one is technological sustainability, and the third important one is social and ecological sustainability. ಈ ಸಸ್ಟೈನಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಇರದೇ ಇದ್ರೆ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಕೆನಾಟ್ ಗೋ ಫಾರ್ವರ್ಡ್ ಆರ್ ಫರ್ದರ್. ದಟ್ ದಿ ರೀಸನ್ ವೈ ಆಲ್ ಸೆಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸಸ್ nowadays are following the mantra of sustainability, that is financial sustainability, social sustainability, as well as the ecological sustainability. So by keeping in view these things in mind, the businesses are adopting the various parameters or tactics for their sustainability. Let me first have a few words about a sustainable business or a green business, which is an enterprise that has a minimal negative impact or potentially a positive effect on global or local environment, community, society, or economy, that a business strives to meet the triple bottom line. The question arises, what is triple bottom line and why this sustainability is required for every business? Please remember, there is a competition, there is a question of say creating the value for the business, not only creating the value for business, and also we have to cope with the challenges of local environmental, community, and the social aspects. Now let us see what are these triple bottom line approaches that every businesses nowadays are adopting, including the banking sector in particular. This triple bottom line is also called as a TBL or 3BL. It is an accounting framework with three parts. One is the social aspect, second one is environmental aspect, that is also we call it as ecological aspects, and the final one, last one, is the financial. We have to financially sustain, we have to ecological or environmentally we have to sustain, and also we keep in mind the social aspects. Most of you must be having the bank accounts, participants. That is, I heard most of the participants are the students of the college. And I will ask a small question. How many of you do have the bank accounts? You can answer quickly in chat box. Yes or no? How many do you have the bank accounts? Quickly. You can answer me in chat box. Students, hope you can listen to me. I've opened my chat box. Yes, 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 yes. Very good. So most of you must be having the bank accounts, and you will be dealing with the bank for your banking needs, right? So you may be having the ATM card. You will be depositing money, or you will be transferring money from your account to others, or you will be getting money from other accounts to your account. And most of you need not go to the bank branch or your bank at all. Without going there, you will be doing banking transactions, right? So this is all happening because of technology. That is one aspect. But there are many other aspects that are involved, so which ultimately leads for the sustainability of the banking business or banking operations by keeping in view the social and environmental, or what we call as ecological aspects also in mind. So let us say social. So the banking operation should be reached to nook and corner. So the benefits of banking operation should be reached to everyone in the society. So geographically, so we can say even in the economic sections, all economic sections of the society, and these banking operations are bringing various social measures, or the social concepts to the different sections of the society. For example, the government schemes, the scholarships, etc. As well as it is also leading for economic development. That's the reason why this technology is doing a major role in this aspect, in the triple bottom line. So in bringing the people together through banking operations and getting the benefits of various social schemes and other aspects of the banking services. Now we have one more aspect, that is environmental aspects. We need to reduce the carbon emissions. We need to use the less amount of paper, so paperless transactions. Then we have to increase the lendings as far as the environmental projects are concerned, etc. So by keeping in view all these things, the new concept called as the green banking or the green banking initiatives have come into the picture nowadays. ನೀವು ಬ್ಯಾಂಕಿಂಗ್ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಅಂದ್ಕೊಡ್ಲೇನೆ, so you can imagine the new banking era, or the banking initiatives that are intended to reduce the pollution and increase what we call as the services to the customers. Here I am showing one small poster that is ICICI Bank Green Banner. It is ICICI Bank long back has adopted the green banking initiative, and even it has made the green banking initiatives as its slogan also, and that's how it is creating a value addition to the banking services, and it is creating a kind of edge so over other banks, so as far as doing the banking business. This will give you an idea about how important this green banking initiative is for the bankers for their sustainability or survival. ಇವತ್ತೊಂದು ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಸಸ್ಟೈನ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು, ಸರ್ವೈವ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ಫೈನಾನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಸಸ್ಟೈನಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಇರಬೇಕು, ಮತ್ತು ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಗುಡ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬರಬೇಕು, ಮತ್ತು ಎಕಲಾಜಿಕಲ್ ಕನ್ಸರ್ನ್ ಅವರು ಗಮನದಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದಾಗ ಸೊ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಟು ಚೇಂಜ್ ದೇರ್ ಪಾಲಿಸೀಸ್, ದೇರ್ ಫಿಲಾಸಫೀಸ್. ಈ ICICI Bank is one of such bank so which has adopted this green banking initiatives. They have even come out with a banner also. ನೀವು ICICI Bank ಯಾವುದೇ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಹೋಗ್ಲಿ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಈ ಬ್ಯಾನರ್ ಹಾಕ್ಕೊಂಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಅಂದರೆ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಗುಡ್ ವಿಲ್. ಅವರ ಮುಂದೆ ಅವರ ಪಾಲಿಸೀಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಗ್ರೀನ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕಿಂಗ್ ಇನಿಷಿಯೇಟಿವ್ಸ್ ಮೇಲೇನೆ ಅವರ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಾಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಅಥವಾ ಅವರ ಆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟೀಸ್ ನಡೀತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಒನ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಶೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಫಾರ್ ಯು ಹೈಪೋಥೆಟಿಕಲಿ. ನಿಮಗೆ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಬ್ಯಾಂಕು ಈಗ ಅಡಾಪ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಸಿ ಹೌ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಅಡಾಪ್ಟ್. Environmentalism is a broad philosophy and a social movement regarding concerns for environmental conservation and improvement of the state of the environment. So environmentalism ಈಗ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ. It is the order of the day and every business has to adopt. ನಿಮಗೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಜ್ಞಾಪಕ ಇರಲಿ, ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಎಥಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಒಂದು ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ವೇರ್ ದಿ ಎಥಿಕಲ್ ಆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ನಾವು ದೃಷ್ಟಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎನ್ವಿರಾನ್ಮೆಂಟಲ್ ಎಥಿಕಲ್ ಆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಪ್ಲೇಯಿಂಗ್ ವೆರಿ ವೈಟಲ್ ರೋಲ್ ಇನ್ ಕಂಡಕ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್. ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ನಾವು ಕಂಡಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಎನ್ವಿರಾನ್ಮೆಂಟಲ್ ಎಥಿಕಲ್ ಆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ನಾವು ದೃಷ್ಟಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆಗ ಸೊ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕಿಂಗ್ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸಸ್ನು ಸಹ ಎನ್ವಿರಾನ್ಮೆಂಟಲ್ ಆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ನ ದೃಷ್ಟಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಶುರು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇವೆ, ಅದನ್ನು ಅಡಾಪ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾವೆ. ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಸಿ ಹೌ. Green banking means and include the process of promoting environmental friendly practices and thereby reducing the carbon footprint from the banking activities. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಹಳ್ಳಿಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಮಂತ್ಲಿ ಪೆನ್ಷನ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ ಓಲ್ಡ್ ಏಜ್ನವ್ರಿಗೆ, ಅಥವಾ ಸೋಷಿಯಲ್ ಸೆಕ್ಯೂರಿಟಿ ಸ್ಕೀಮ್ಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಪೆನ್ಷನ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಮುಂದೆ ವಿಲೇಜ್ಗಳಿಂದ ತುಂಬ ದೂರದ ಹಳ್ಳಿಗಳಿಂದ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಬ್ರಾಂಚ್ ಮುಂದೆ ಬಂದು ಒಂದು ದೊಡ್ಡ ಕ್ಯೂನಲ್ಲೇ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, ಯಾವುದೋ ಓಲ್ಡ್ ಏಜ್ ಪೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಂತ್ಲಿ 5th 7th ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಎಲ್ಲೋ ವಿಲೇಜ್ಗಳಿಂದ ಬರಬೇಕು, ಬಸ್ಸುಗಳು ಹತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬರಬೇಕು, ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಈಗ ಅದನ್ನೇ ಅವ್ರ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ಗೆ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಅವ್ರು ಎಲ್ಲಿದ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ನ ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋತಾರೆ, ATM-ನಲ್ಲೋ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಮುಖಾಂತರ ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋತಾರೆ ಇದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಅವ್ರ ಟ್ರಾವೆಲ್ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಅಥವಾ ಅವರು ಅನದರ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಂಡಿಚರ್ನು ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ದೆನ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಅವ್ರ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ಗೆ ದುಡ್ಡು ಸಿಕ್ಕುತ್ತೆ. ಆಲ್ ದೀಸ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಗ್ರೀನ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕಿಂಗ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ and includes the process of promoting environmental friendly practices and thereby reducing the carbon footprint from the banking activities. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಫುಟ್ ಪ್ರಿಂಟ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು? ನೀವು ಪೇಪರ್ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ನಲ್ಲಿ, ಅಥವಾ ನೀವು ಜನಗಳನ್ನ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕಿಗೆ ಬರೋದು ಕಡಿಮೆ ಮಾಡಿ ದೇರ್ ಬೈ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟೇಷನ್ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಅವರು ಮೋಡ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಕಡಿಮೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಆಲ್ ದೀಸ್ ಕೈಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಲೀಡ್ ಫಾರ್ ರೆಡ್ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ದಿ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಎಮಿಷನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಎನ್ವಿರಾನ್ಮೆಂಟಲ್ಲಿ ಆ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಫುಟ್ ಪ್ರಿಂಟ್ಸ್ನ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಮಾಡೋದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಬ್ಯಾಂಕಿಂಗ್ ಆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟೀಸ್ನಲ್ಲೂ ನಾವು ಮುಖಾಂತರ ನಾವು ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಎಂಥ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕಿಂಗ್ ಆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟೀಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಗ್ರೀನ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕಿಂಗ್ ಇನಿಷಿಯೇಟಿವ್ಸ್ ಇಂದ ಈ ಥರದ್ದೆಲ್ಲ ನಾವು ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಸೊ ಆ ಥರ ಏನಾದರೂ ಇನಿಷಿಯೇಟಿವ್ಸ್ ಯಾರಾದರೂ ಒಬ್ಬ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕು ಅಥವಾ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಅಡಾಪ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ದೆನ್ ದೇ ಕಾಲ್ ಇಟ್ ಆಸ್ ಗ್ರೀನ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕಿಂಗ್ ಇನಿಷಿಯೇಟಿವ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. Green banking initiatives refer to the banking practices that creates environmental benefits and also include promotion of environmental friendly processes and the reduction of carbon footprint of banking operations. ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಫುಟ್ ಪ್ರಿಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಪ್ರತಿ ಸಲ ನಾವು ಯಾಕೆ ಬಳಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ ಅಂದರೆ, ಬ್ಯಾಂಕಿಂಗ್ ಆಪರೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಮುಖಾಂತರ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕಡಿಮೆ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಎಮಿಷನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗುತ್ತೋ ಅಷ್ಟು ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಫುಟ್ ಪ್ರಿಂಟ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ರಿಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಗುಡ್ ಫಾರ್ ದಿ ಸೊಸೈಟಿ, ಗುಡ್ ಫಾರ್ ಎನ್ವಿರಾನ್ಮೆಂಟ್, ಎಟ್ಸೆಟ್ರಾ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ದಿ ರೀಸನ್ ವೈ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟೆಡ್ ಅಡಾಪ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ದಿ ಗ್ರೀನ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕಿಂಗ್ ಇನಿಷಿಯೇಟಿವ್ಸ್. ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್, ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್ ದಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಎ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಟಾಪಿಕ್, okay, but the impact is very, very huge, and that impact we are also experiencing nowadays, because you will have say UPI apps, so unified payment interfaces ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಗೂಗಲ್ ಪೇ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, Paytm ಇರ್ಬೋದು. ನೀವು ಎಲ್ಲಿದ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದನೇ ನೀವು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ಗೆ, ಅಥವಾ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಪೇ ದಿ ಯುವರ್ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಫೀಸ್, ಯು ನೀಡ್ ನಾಟ್ ಗೋ ಟು ದಿ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್. ನೀವೆಲ್ಲೋ ಪೀಣ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತೀರಾ, ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ರು ಎಲ್ಲೋ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ, ಯು ನೀಡ್ ನಾಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾಚ್ ಎ ಬಸ್, ಆರ್ ಯು ನೀಡ್ ನಾಟ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಯುವರ್ ಬೈಕ್, ಗೋ ಟು ದಿ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಆರ್ ದಿ ಡಿಸಿಗ್ನೇಟೆಡ್ ಬ್ರಾಂಚ್. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಕ್ಯೂನಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಂತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಪೇ ಮಾಡೋ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಆಲ್ ದೀಸ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ರಿಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಫುಟ್ ಪ್ರಿಂಟ್. This is possible only because of the green initiative. ಅಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ನೆಟ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕಿಂಗ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಹೌ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಇಟ್ ರಿಡ್ಯೂಸ್? ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ರಿಡ್ಯೂಸ್, ಇಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್? ಸೊ ನೀವು ಈಗಾಗಲೇ ಹೇಳಿದ್ನಲ್ಲ ನಾನು, ಸೊ ಯು ನೀಡ್ ನಾಟ್ ಟ್ರಾವೆಲ್, so that you need not say burn the fuels. All these things will definitely reduce so the carbon footprints on one side. Other side, so as I said, so the social measures anta naven kartivi, ಅಥವಾ social benefit schemes ಏನಿರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, directly it will reach to the beneficiaries through certain technological so interventions adopted, or technological initiations adopted by the banks nowadays. Let us see benefits of green banking. ಗ್ರೀನ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕಿಂಗ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಈಗ ನೋಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಸೊ ಈಗ ಗ್ರೀನ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕಿಂಗ್ ಇಂದ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಬೆನಿಫಿಟ್ಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಸಿ. ದಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಅವೇರ್ನೆಸ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಎನ್ವಿರಾನ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಟು ಪೀಪಲ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಹೌಸಸ್. Nowadays there are certain branches where no customer is allowed to enter in. ಯಾರಾದರೂ ಕಸ್ಟಮರ್ ಬ್ರಾಂಚ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಎಂಟರ್ ಆದರೆ ಅವರಿಗೆ 100 or 200 rupees ಫೀಸ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಇನ್ ಸಚ್ ಎ ವೇ ದಿ ಬ್ರಾಂಚಸ್ ಆರ್ ಆಪರೇಟಿಂಗ್ ನವೇಡೇಸ್. ಸೊ ಜೀರೋ ಕಸ್ಟಮರ್ ಬ್ರಾಂಚ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಸಿಟಿ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಈಸ್ ಒನ್ ಆಫ್ ಸಚ್ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್. ಸೊ ವೇರ್ ಜೀರೋ ಕಸ್ಟಮರ್ ಬ್ರಾಂಚಸ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ರನ್ನಿಂಗ್. Everything happens over either phone or either by so net banking or by emails, etc. so that they will so encourage the customers or public not to come to the commute and come to the commute ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ಟ್ರಾವೆಲ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬ್ಯಾಂಕಿಗೆ ಬರೋದನ್ನ ಅವರು encourage ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ, discourage ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. So wherever they are sitting they can do the banking operations. So in that way, so creating awareness about environment to people and also so businesses, business houses. That is first aspect of green banking. Then setting environmental standards for lending leads to more cautious approach by business houses. For example, there are many environmental friendly projects are coming, environmental friendly businesses are coming. The banks are now have adopted a policy of lending to these kind of activities on priority basis. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಎಮಿಷನ್ಸ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಂಥ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ಸಸ್ ಏನಾದರೂ ಇದ್ರೆ ಅವಳಿಗೆ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಲೆಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡೋದು, ಎಮಿಷನ್ಸ್ನ ಕಟ್ ಡೌನ್ ಮಾಡೋಂಥ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ಸಸ್ ಏನಾದರೂ ಇದ್ರೆ ಅವಳಿಗೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಲೆಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡೋದು, ಪ್ರಿಯಾರಿಟಿ ಮೇಲೆ ಲೆಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡೋದು, ಕಡಿಮೆ ರೇಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಲೆಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡೋದು, ಈ ತರ ಪಾಲಿಸೀಸ್ನ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಅಡಾಪ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತಾ ಇದೆ. ಯು ಮೇ ಆಸ್ಕ್ ಅನ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್. ನೀವೇನಾದರೂ ಒಂದು ಸೋಲಾರ್ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀರಿ ಅಂತ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಎ ಪ್ರಿಯಾರಿಟಿ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ಲೆಂಡಿಂಗ್. So this is part of the green banking initiatives by the banks. So ಬರೀ ನೀವು ATM ನೆಟ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕಿಂಗ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಲೆಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡೋ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲೂ they will see the green banking initiatives. For example, nowadays lot of say electric cars and electric two-wheelers are being sold, people are using, and they need recharge terminals or centers. If you being a graduate or if you being an employee, if you approach the banks, you will get on priority basis the loans for setting up of these recharge centers, etc. Okay, battery replacement centers or recharge centers. This is the priority. So for the banks nowadays in lending also, not only in doing banking transactions, even in lending also. This is how the green banking initiatives are being carried out by the bankers. That is another benefit of green banking. Then encouraging lesser paperwork leads to reduction of carbon emissions. Most of the banks nowadays have started sending bank details, then account statements, everything, even applying for the bank account, maybe savings account or any other kind of account through online only. You can see the ICICI. Amitabh Bachchan used to say give advertisement at the fingertips of his mobile while doing the walking or exercise. He will open a bank account. This is precisely and exactly a green banking initiative only. So encouraging lesser paperwork leads to reduction of carbon emissions. Today you need not go to the bank or bank branch for opening any kind of account, for that matter, SB account, current account or DMAT account, whatnot. All kind of accounts you can open from your home or office at your fingertips without any paperwork. You just scan your Aadhaar number or upload Aadhaar number, OTP will come, your account is opened, and you will get the checkbook, everything, passbook, everything to your home by courier. Even nowadays, even they also are not being widely used. Checkbook and other things people are not using. So these are all part of the green banking initiatives. Then another benefit is helping restoration and preservation of environment through CSR activities. Lot of banks nowadays are spending money on environmental projects as part of their CSR activities. CSR ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ, corporate social responsibility activities. So through this, what they are doing is, they are restoring a lot of say ecological ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಪೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟಿಂಗ್ ದಿ ಟ್ರೀಸ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಸೋಲಾರ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರೀಟ್ ಲೈಟ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಅಥವಾ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಕಾಲೇಜಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಸೋಲಾರ್ ಪ್ಯಾನಲ್ಸ್ ಅಡಾಪ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಇರ್ಬೋದು. ಸೊ ಅಥವಾ ಸೋಲಾರ್ ವೆಹಿಕಲ್ಸ್ನ ಕೊಡೋದು. ನೀವು ರೈಲ್ವೆ ಸ್ಟೇಷನ್, ಬಸ್ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿರ್ತೀರಾ, ಕೆನರಾ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಅದರ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ದೇ ಡೊನೇಟ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ cart vehicles where old age people or senior citizens can be carried from one platform to another platform. These are all initiatives taken by the banks, helping and restoration and preservation of environment through CSR activities. Another benefit, okay, by the banking activities, green banking activities. Let us see the green banking initiatives. ಏನೇನಿದೆ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಬೆನಿಫಿಟ್ಸ್ ಆಯಿತು, ಈಗ ಇನಿಷಿಯೇಟಿವ್ಸ್ ನೋಡೋಣ. The first one is online accounts, as I said earlier. So no paperwork. So you need not commute. So no transportation. You need not say burn your petrol or diesel to go to the bank, etc. Then paperless statements, another green banking initiatives. Then paperless deposits withdrawals. So ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಡೆಪಾಸಿಟ್ ಮೆಷಿನ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಎ ಟಿ ಎಮ್ಸ್ ಹತ್ರ ಎ ಟಿ ಎಮ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಡ್ರಾ ದಿ ಮನಿ ಸೊ ಯು ನೀಡ್ ನಾಟ್ ಗೋ ಇನ್ಸೈಡ್ ದಿ ಬ್ರಾಂಚ್ ಗಿವ್ ಎ ಸ್ಲಿಪ್ ಅಥವಾ ಚೆಕ್ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನೀವು ಯು ನೀಡ್ ನಾಟ್ ವೆಯ್ಟ್ ಬೈ ಟೇಕಿಂಗ್ ದಿ ಟೋಕನ್ ಅವ್ರು ಕರೆಯೋವರೆಗೂ ವೆಯ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ ಆಲ್ ದೀಸ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಸೇ ಗ್ರೀನ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕಿಂಗ್ ಇನಿಷಿಯೇಟಿವ್ಸ್. Then net banking for paperless transactions, already you are experiencing, even including UPI transactions also, like Paytm or Google Pay, etc. Then lending to environment compliance projects activities, as I said earlier, solar projects irbodu, athwa say electric vehicles manufacturing irbodu, scooters athwa two wheelers athwa four wheelers irbodu, athwa if you want to establish the recharge centers, etc. All these things are possible. So the green banking initiatives nalli ivella barutte. Solar energy projects, electric automobiles, etc. Then helping green initiatives under CSR is another initiatives. Already we spoken about this. Then using power checking equipments in the banks, because there are thousands of branches for each bank. For example, if you take State Bank of India, they have around 8,000 branches across the country. Now, if they install solar panels for all the 8,000 branches on rooftop, then just imagine the amount of electricity they can save or they can generate themselves. This is another green banking initiatives by the banks, so that they can reduce the using of say generated electricity from through fossil fuels ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ರೀತಿಯವರು ಮೂಲದಿಂದ ನಾವೇನು ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಸಿಟಿ ಜನರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅದನ್ನು ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲ ಅವುಗಳನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಬೈ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ಸೋಲಾರ್ ಪ್ಯಾನಲ್ಸ್ ಎಟ್ಸೆಟ್ರಾ ಆನ್ ದೇರ್ ರೂಫ್ ಟಾಪ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಬ್ರಾಂಚಸ್. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಹೌ ಗ್ರೀನ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕಿಂಗ್ ಇನಿಷಿಯೇಟಿವ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿ ಕ್ಯಾರಿಡ್ ಔಟ್. ದೆನ್ ಒಂದು ಬ್ಯಾಂಕನ್ನು ನಾವು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಸೊ ICICI ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ನ ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಟೇಕ್ ದಿ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್. What they are doing, they are encouraging employees to turn off all lights and electric equipments when not in use. ಅವರು ಒಂದು ಬೋರ್ಡು ಚಾರ್ಟ್ ಹಾಕೊಂಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ಒಂದು ಪ್ರೋಟೋಕಾಲೇ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಅವರು. ಸೊ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಟ್ರೈನಿಂಗ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಅನ್ನೆಸರಿ ಸೊ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ವೇಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಅಥವಾ ಪವರ್ ಕನ್ಸಂಪ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡೋದನ್ನ ಅವರು ಡಿಸ್ಕರೇಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. So encouraging employees to turn off all lights and electric equipments when not in use is one thing. Then make extensive use of webinars in conducting meetings and workshops, reducing the need for our employees to travel. So employees get training or meetings iddaga, instead of calling them to a particular place for meetings and other things, they do all those things through webinars or online meetings or workshops conduct ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತಾರೆ. So ICICI Bank nalli in that way, so wherever they are, they can attend the training programs, workshops, or the meetings of the officials, etc. And thereby they can reduce the emission of the carbon emissions na kadime ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ ICICI Bank ನಲ್ಲಿ. So the same thing is adopted by other banks also. The same measures are the same steps have been taken by the other banks also. Then they also promote the use of carpool and public transportation among the employees. This is another initiative taken by the ICICI Bank, and most of the other banks also do the same things. Following the practice of reusing papers. So ಒಂದು ಪೇಪರ್ ಏನೋ ಪ್ರಿಂಟ್ ಹಾಕಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಇನ್ನೊಮ್ಮೆ ಅವರು ಪ್ರಿಂಟ್ ಹಾಕೋತಾರ. ಸೊ ಬೋತ್ ಸೈಡ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರಿಂಟ್ ಹಾಕೊಂಡು ಅವರು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋ ಥರ. This kind of practices also they practice, thereby reducing the use of say papers, okay, hard papers. In that way they can also reduce the carbon footprint. Then share electronic files. ನಿಮಗೆ ಈಗಾಗಲೇ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ PDF ಫಾರ್ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲೋ ಅಥವಾ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಥ್ರೂ ಮೇಲ್ಸ್ ಅಥವಾ ಸೊ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಸೊ ಮೀಡಿಯಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರು ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತಾರೆ. ವಾಯ್ಸ್ ಮೇಲ್ಸ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಇಮೇಲ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟೆಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಪೇಪರ್ ಮೆಮೋಸ್ ಎಟ್ಸೆಟ್ರಾ ದೇ ಯೂಸ್. So thereby they will reduce the use of the paper and the carbon footprints. They also promote two-sided printing when possible, so as well as limit printed materials, emails, memos to only what is necessary. This is how the ICICI Bank has taken certain green banking initiatives, and the same initiatives are also being adopted and followed by most of the banks across the country, not only across the country, across the world. These are all some important green banking initiatives that are being adopted by the banks nowadays. Okay, with this I conclude my presentation. Because I said the green banking initiative is a small concept, but the impact so is very, very huge as far as the financial sustainability irbodu, ಅಥವಾ the environmental sustainability irbodu, ಅಥವಾ the social sustainability irbodu. So the impact is very, very huge. You are all experiencing also. You are drawing money from ATMs, you are depositing money so through deposit machines, you're transferring money online, paperless account opening, all these things which will reduce the cost of banking operations, thereby profitability of the banks are nowadays increasing because of these initiatives on one side. On the other side, even customers also having a lot of conveniences at their fingertips. Okay, so that's how, so these green banking initiatives are helping all the stakeholders, including the society. Okay, so thank you for you. And if you have any doubts or if you have any questions, you can ask. You can also ask in chat box. You can ask question in chat box. Feel free to ask questions.
Hello, dear participants. So, if you have any doubts, any clarification, and anything you wish to say, allowed, please. For another 2 or 3 minutes, you can speak to the speaker.
Sir, I will share the PPT also to you. You please share with the students also for their benefits. Okay. Students can ask question.
Students, please open up. Nagasri, Saranya, Samarth, Kavita, ಏನಾದರೂ ಇದ್ರೆ ಕೇಳ್ರಪ್ಪ. You are allowed.
See, the concept is very small, but the impact is very big. The future is a green initiative only. Most of you must be having bank accounts and already you are experiencing the green banking initiatives.
Sir, share the PPT with me. I will be coordinating with the students.
Sure, madam. Sure, we'll do, madam. We'll do.
Oh, shall we close? ಏನು questions ಇಲ್ವಾ? Okay. So this is the last part of the session. So in fact, it is a matter of pride for me.
Sir, there is one question.
Yes, sir.
How to open bank account through online without going to bank? It's a good question. It's asked by Naveen. First of all, you decide in which bank you want to open account. If you want to open account in SBI or if you want to open account in HDFC, you go to its website, and then definitely there will be one section there, open new account. If you click there, then it will ask all your details, maybe your name, date of birth, and other basic details. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಒಂದು ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಓಪನಿಂಗ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ಥರ ಇರುತ್ತೋ ಆ ಥರ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲಿರುತ್ತೆ. After filling them, then they may ask some KYC also. KYC means know your client ಅಂತ ಅಥವಾ ಕಸ್ಟಮರ್ ಅಂತ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮೇ ಬಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಅಡ್ರೆಸ್ ಪ್ರೂಫ್, ಆಧಾರ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆ ಥರ ಕೇಳುತ್ತೆ. ದೆನ್ ಇಟ್ ಮೇ ಸೆಂಡ್ ಯು ಸಮ್ OTP. OTPಗೆ ನೀವು OTPನ ನೀವು ಎಂಟರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ ನಂತರ ಯುವರ್ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ಡೀಟೇಲ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಯುವರ್ KYC ನೀಡ್ಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಫುಲ್ಫಿಲ್ಡ್. ಸಮ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ, ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಫೋಟೋನು ತಗೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತೆ, ಕ್ಯಾಪ್ಚರಿಂಗ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. then their camera will open, then it will take your photo also, then your account will be approved. Maybe in one day, or sometimes instant approve agutte. Sometime it may take one day for the officials to approve. Then you will get your all the account details to your registered email ID and your mobile also. Then you can start transacting with the bank. It's a very user friendly there, so you can open. So there is any requirement for PAN card, it will ask. Sometimes PAN card ಎಲ್ಲರ ಹತ್ರ ಇರಲ್ಲ, mostly Aadhaar number it will ask. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ to open a bank account minimum 18 years of age ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು, you have to attain. ಏಜ್ ಪ್ರೂಫ್ ಮತ್ತು ಆಧಾರ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಈಗ ಮ್ಯಾಂಡೇಟರಿ ಆಗಿದೆ ಫಾರ್ KYC ಪರ್ಪಸಸ್. ಪ್ಯಾನ್ ಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಸರಿ, ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಪ್ಯಾನ್ ಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಏನಾದರೂ ಶೇರ್ಸ್ ಅಥವಾ ಡಿಮ್ಯಾಟ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪ್ಯಾನ್ ಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಫಾರ್ ಮಿಯರ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ನೆಸೆಸರಿ. ಆಧಾರ್ ಈಸ್ ನೆಸೆಸರಿ. Aadhaar will fulfill all your address proof and other KYC requirement. Will there be a passbook for online account? Yes. You can download your all your account transaction statement. That itself will be as good as your passbook. Okay. If you want, you can also take physical passbook also by visiting the bank. Nowadays, people are not using passbook, physical passbook. All are using the online statement only. ಪಾಸ್ಬುಕ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೇನು ಡೀಟೇಲ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅದೇ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ದೆನ್ ಯಾವ ಪೀರಿಯಡ್ ಬೇಕೋ ಆ ಪೀರಿಯಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಡೌನ್ಲೋಡ್ ಯುವರ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಾಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್.
That is also purpose of green banking, I believe.
Yeah.
Less of papers.
Less papers. Paperless
Yes.
banking. Most of the banks are not issuing passbooks now, physical passbooks. They have stopped it also.
And even the purpose of passbook is to know the details of the transactions you have transacted. So that can be known through going through the online only. Therefore, there is no necessary, I believe.
From e-statement, even the banks nowadays are sending monthly statements to the registered email IDs. It is very simple. You can open your bank account in few minutes in some private banks. Even in public sector also you can open very easily, hassle free.
Any more? Sir?
Yes, sir.
Sir, I think now it is my turn.
Okay.
My dear participants, especially my dear students. So today, our professor, Dr. Prahlad Chaudhary sir, spoke briefly in a beautiful way about the green concepts. It gives me immense pleasure because he is not only the person with a good background about presentation and doing extracurricular activities in a renowned college like RC College, but also has presented n number of papers and worked for PhDs and projects and all. So therefore, sir, you spoke well about green banking, especially my dear students. ನಿಮಗೆ ಗ್ರೀನ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕಿಂಗ್ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತೇ ಇದೆ. ಈಗ ಆಟೋದಲ್ಲಿ ಅರ್ಧ ಗ್ರೀನ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ, ಸುಮಾರು ಸಲ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಕಾರ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಕೂಡ ಗ್ರೀನ್ ಪಿಕ್ಚರ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಅದೇ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಸರ್ಕಾರ ಗ್ರೀನ್ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ರಂಗಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ತರಬೇಕಂತ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ ನಡೆಸಿದೆ. ಇನ್ ದ ವೇಕ್ ಆಫ್ ದಟ್ ದೇರ್ ಈಸ್ ಗ್ರೀನ್ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸಸ್, green accounting, even real estate also. Whenever we are going to see the ads with respect to houses and all flats, we are going to see the green area. So that is nothing but the presentation and bringing up greenery each and every aspects of the society. So in the wake of that, there is also a green banking. So this is nothing but being natural, being environmental friendly, reducing carbon and everything, which our professor told. Sir, on behalf of our college, our principal madam and Department of Commerce and the Government First Grade College, Malleshwaram, I extend wholehearted thanks to you, and definitely we are calling you again and again for in future. We are really thankful to you, sir. It is really a great presentation. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
And next is, I also extend thanks to our beloved Principal Madam, Dr. Pratima, for making this particular event convenient and comfortable by giving the facility of internet and all. So next, I also extend my thanks to all the staff members who have participated in this event. And last but not least, I extend my thanks to all the students who have participated, and I also hope you have enjoyed this session. As our professor told, it is still in a budding stage, so there is a less to present and very less material is available. Over the period of time, definitely we are going to get a huge material and extensive practice of this particular green banking. So I thank you everyone for being the part of this event. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
And last, for the students, please, you are requested to fill a feedback form without fail. Okay, and that has been posted in the chat box. Hope you understand the importance. Students, please, you are requested to fill the feedback form. Okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank
Students, please fill up the feedback form. Link has been posted in the chat box.